Did you know that becoming a god might be the worst thing that could ever happen to you? Bran Stark started as a curious kid who loved climbing towers, then he became something that barely counts as human anymore. When Bran becomes the three-eyed raven, he gains the ability to see everything, every moment in history, every tragedy, every death, every meaningless conversation, and that breaks his brain. Think about it. If you could see every genocide, every murder, every moment of suffering that ever happened, would you still care about one person's problems? Bran stops being Bran. He becomes a cold computer that sees humans like chess pieces. He manipulates Jon's entire life. He lets King's Landing burn. He watches thousands die and does nothing. Not because he's evil, because when you see everything, individual pain stops mattering. It's like information at overload turned into sociopathy. The kid who once climbed towers to see the world ended up seeing too much, and lost his humanity in the process. Sometimes knowledge isn't power, sometimes it's a curse.